Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add lid open action in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Windows search bar, type edit power plan, click and open it, click on change advanced power settings. If you couldn't find power buttons and lid option, follow these steps to fix this. Go to Windows search bar, type CMD, right click run as administrator. Copy the commands from description and paste it. Click enter. Restart your computer. That's it. Now you will find the options. Thanks for watching.